Guys, dating apps tayo. Uy, ano ba, bro?
Totoo pangalan.
Uy, sino yun? You got a new friend. Sino yan, pre? Ayaw.
Ano patingin?
Left. Okay, left. Ay, pangit. Uy, pwede, pwede. Uy. Ayaw ba?
May nakailang video ka na.
Uy, sino yun? Paborito kaya? Tama na, bro. Pangit ng post. Sino yan? Pre, yun na. Ayan na. Mag-start na yung ano. Ay, baliktad ba? Ang ano nga yun? Ayan na, presentation na. Group 1. Iba ata yung cell.
Zoom test, pre.
So we have Paul, Andrea, Alan. Teka, ilan na ba yun? Ano na eh?
Ay,
Sige na sa ano. Yes!
Sa inyo. Sa inyo.
Okay, let's grade this one. The scores that you're gonna get here will be recorded as summative number 2. Tama ba? So over 15 points. Tingnan muna natin. We have the criteria. If you place the labels correctly, that's 5 points. If you have arranged the parts correctly, acceptable, that's 5 points. And then another 5 points for the overall impact and design color. Okay? Let's start with this one. Who owns this cell here? Taas ang kamay. Okay, Chad, anong cell to? Animal or plant? Animal. Okay, this is an animal.
Galing, ang
plant.
galing.
Okay, we get 5.
Oh, 5 points. Yeah. Anong cell tayo?
Okay, so let's see.
Ha?
According to them, this part here is the vacuole, correct?
Kasagot ako, bro.
Yung loob ng cell where the organelles, by the way,
Kasagot ako mamaya. Pag tinanong ko ano to.
parts ng cell, you call them as organelles, okay?
Kasagot ako, pre.
Yung bacteria, wala siyang organelles.
Record ko
Yung
to.
pinaka